Heyo, I'm John Rust, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of Bardwell's budget build. Before we get started with that, a little bit about myself is I'm new to YouTube, and I'm also new to quads and FPV racing. I got about 12 years of experience with RC aircrafts. I have an electronics background, so I've got years of experience with soldering, so it should go pretty well. But what I wanted to do with these videos is get this build and put it together as a beginner so you know what it's like to build as a beginner also. We'll also be doing some first flights to see how that goes as a beginner, because I've got about 20 hours into the simulator, so that's a pretty good indication of how well that's going to go. But it's been such a fun time watching this community grow, and I thought, man, I would love to be a part of that. So, with that said, let's get going. All right, let's do this unboxing. You know, I've already gotten rid of all of the JK, LOL. We're not doing this one-handed unboxing crap. Alright, let's do this unboxing. So, you can see I cheated a little bit. I cut it open, took out the packing material. I also thought I would take the shipping label off so my address wouldn't be on the box. You know, whatever. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to open the box, I'm going to show what's inside the box, and then we're going to open up the other boxes and see what's inside of those. Alright, box. This is a nice box. Alright, so first off, we've got looks like two sets of the Cyclone T5046 props. That's cool. We've got the Foxier Aero Micro Pro FPV camera, and it says scratch me, so we're going to probably scratch that later too. Alright. And now we've got the combo, the Holy Bro Kakute F7 flight controller, the Atwell HV-V2 video transmitter, and the Teco ESC. So we're going to open all this stuff later, don't worry. We've got the Sam Gook, looks like the 2306 2500 kV. Don't worry, we're going to open all this stuff. We've got a Rotor Riot strap. Got the Lumineer Pagoda antenna. And like Joshua was saying in his video, he's got all these extra parts to help the build just go together as a beginner. It's ready to go out of the box, put it together, you can fly it. So there's that. And last we've got the frame. It's a CL1 frame, Rotor Riot CL1 frame. Get some stickers and stuff, looks like. Cool. And my shipping information that I'm not going to show you. So, let's move all this aside and start with the unboxing of the other parts. Alright, first off, let's work on unboxing the Sam Gook DYS motors. These are the 2306 2500 kV motors. So let's move those aside and we'll work on just this one. And I got this, get the trusty knife out, cut that. Alright, side of there. We have your Sam Gook 2500 kV DYS motors. Put that back in the bag. Inside of this little box, we've got little bits of screws and your nut. Inside more, we've got these really cool cartoons here. Let's put that back in the box. Okay. Next up, we've got the Foxeer Aero Micro Pro FPV camera. We said we were going to scratch this. It says scratch me. We're going to scratch it. See what's underneath it. What are you? Come on, buddy. Holy cow, look at that. There's a number. Alright, that was underwhelming. Alright, let's open this. Okay. Oh, alright. So, there's a little camera inside of here. Pull that out. Tiny little camera. Got your connectors and whatnot. That. I'll put that back in. Let's see what's under here. Looks like you got a mount. And you've got your control panel here. These little clicky buttons. And you've got the wires you're going to need to wire it up to the build. Put that back in there. Deal with all that later. Got this little card and there's some information on the camera. Next on the list is the Holy Bro stack that comes with the Kakute F7 flight controller, the Atwell HVV2 video transmitter, and the Teco ESC. So let's get these open. Okay. I love these little things that you gotta cut open. Makes it feel like Christmas. Alright, so got a couple of standoffs here that come with it. So if you bought standoffs, you wasted some money, I guess, like myself. Alright, here's the flight controller. Probably don't want to touch that too much. Just keep that nice and safe in this box until you start the build. And we got some of the wires. And here are both of them. Make sure not to drop them on the ground and forget about them until your build is done. LOL. Okay. Put that to the side. Let's get this out and see how this goes. Okay, we didn't even need to cut it apparently. Alright. In here are some extra, looks like the extra ribbon cable with some extra padded tape, probably for the gyro. All right. We've got some wiring. Okay, here, if I can get this thing out of here. Here's your connection for the antennas. And here is your flight controller and VTX. Alright, let's put all that back. It's good to not touch the electronics too much before you get all that on there. We've got the propellers, we can see them, so I'm not going to open these bags. I guess let's open up the pagoda. Here's the Lumineer pagoda. It is, looks like it's a male. So there's that. I guess We can see through it, but let's see if it's got rubber, if it's rubberized. Feels a little rubbery, so, you know, it'll hold your battery pretty good. And, you know, sure. Alright, you get a bunch of zip ties, which is awesome. You get your clear heat shrink. Get your extra screws. Get some VHB double-sided 3M tape. And you have your XT60 connector to hook up to your ESC. Starting to make a mess around here. Get all this crap out of here. Last but not least, let's take a look at the frame. Alright. Looks like we got a couple bags here. Alright, so we got your frame. Looks like everything is here. Right. Got your arms. Doesn't look like it comes with any extra arms. A little disappointing. You have your pack of tall standoffs, or your columns to hold the two pieces of carbon fiber together, all your screws. And then we've got the mounts for your camera. Alright, it's all good, it's all there. Cool. Alright, that's going to conclude this video. Hope to see you guys in the next couple of videos as we build this thing together. Looks like it's going to be pretty fun. Can't wait to get it going. See you guys in the next one. Bye.